Welcome back to Review 360 channel. This time we will discuss a revolutionary platform that is used by many students to help doing their homework with ease. The name is StudyX.ai. This application offers a clear solution to improve your learning experience. Curious? Let's get started. The appearance is very interesting. There are several appearances that allow us as users to use GPT-40, Cloud 3.5, Sonnet, etc. StudyX is designed to help students and professionals who want to maximize their learning experience using AI technology. The main feature is: first, it offers a complete and detailed answer. It's more complete than the usual AI with a very interesting way of solving problems for us to learn. Second, there is an insert image feature that makes it easier for the student to copy the problem in PDF to StudyX dashboard and get the answer. By doing this, he will get an answer that is directly to the point in this section. Okay, those are some of the functions. Now, let's just look at the application dashboard. This feature is usually used a lot. So we don't just type here. But not only that, but we can also use these tools by inserting homework in image shape. Okay, let's just try it. To use this StudyX, you have to go to the member. To become a member, enter this button. Get started. Then we will be directed here. Get started. Now, I have used my account. For the free account, the facility is as follows. It will give us 12 credits that will be recurring for each day. With these 12 credits, we will be able to get this. Get step-by-step AI homework help. Chat with multiple AI models. Get research paper assistance. Generate and improve content. Okay, let's just get started. I have prepared a question in the form of a PDF as a sample. This is a question in English. I immediately copy and paste it here. I take a copy, and I will paste it to this part. The dashboard part of the StudyX.ai. Done. After entering here, we can choose between basic or advanced. Basic will spend 2 credits. Advanced will spend 10 credits. We try the basic first. What is the answer? Then we take Get Answer, and we will immediately get the answer from the StudyX. As you can see here, it will give a direct answer. along with the consideration of the answer. From this question, it will give the answer number B. Okay, that's the way. Hopefully, it can help. So that's a brief overview of the StudyX, with various advanced features and benefits offered. This report can be an answer for you who want to learn more effectively, because it provides answers that we can learn again at home. So, that's a brief review of StudyX. With the various advanced features and benefits it offers, this platform can be the right solution for those of you who want to learn more effectively. Don't forget to try and share your experiences in the comments column. Please share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.